Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you about Villavicencio Meta, an incredible city in Colombia, known as the gateway to the plains. It is entrance to the East Arc Plains and a place full of nature, culture, and adventure. Villavicencio has many tourist attractions worth visiting, for example, Parque Las Malocas, where you can learn more about Llanero culture and see exhibition of joropo dance and traditional convoy work. There are also Bioparque Los Ocarros, also with animals native to the region, such as capybaras, jaguars, and anacondas. If you want a spectacular view of the city, you can visit Mirador Piedra del Amor, where you can admire diverse plain landscapes, and for to wow enjoy ecotourism, the Guataquira Rivers is perfect for relaxing. Additionally, in the city center, you find Nuestra Señora del Carmen Cathedral, that were visiting tourists. Hi, this is my first time in Villavicencio, and I want to make the most of my visit. What's the best way to see the city? Welcome. The best way is by taxi or public transportation. You can also rent a motorcycle if you want more freedom to move around. Great. I want to buy some souvenirs. Where do you recommend I go shopping? You can visit Primavera Urbana or Unicentro Villavicencio if you prefer a shopping mall. But if you're looking for something more traditional, local markets have handmade craft and Llanero style products. I'd love to experience a local festival or event. Is there anything interesting happening soon? Yes, the International Joropo Tournament is the most important event in the region. There are also food festivals and cultural events throughout the year. That sounds amazing. I'd also like to learn more about the history of the place. Is there a museum you recommend? Of course, you should visit Casa de la Cultura Jorge Eliezer Gaitán, where you find exhibitions on local history and arts.